Amino acids. So a lot of men are eating protein, but they're not absorbing it well because they have low stomach acid. And so we need to either address that and have better gut function, or consume more protein, or we can also utilize something like an essential amino acid product. These provide all the key amino acids that we need to build lean body tissue in a highly absorbable form. So this is something I personally use and recommend for people. And I've seen for most men, it increases their testosterone, increases their muscle mass, their drive, their energy. I found it to be an essential tool for really helping men thrive in life. A good amino acid supplement or using like a protein powder and making protein shakes with grass-fed whey protein or a plant-based protein or something along those lines. Next is creatine. Creatine, we hear about it for muscle building, and it is amazing for helping build strength and muscle, but creatine is also key for really good brain function. So if you want to think sharply, quickly, perform at a high level, I would recommend, and look good, right? Have more muscle tissue, lean body tissue, I'd recommend supplementing with a good creatine monohydrate powder as well. You can put it in a protein shake or just drink it in water, and that can be really helpful. It helps all the mitochondria in your body, and particularly most people notice the benefits when it comes to muscle strength, muscle endurance, and brain function, mental clarity when it comes to creatine.